Hi guys, welcome back to Hybrid FX. I'm excited to make this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to navigate your way through the um, Deriv Deriv trading view site, and then you have to know how to use the site well and as well as the tools. Yeah, so that's what we are going to do in a matter of minutes. So let's dive into the video, guys. So, as you can see on my screen, this is the landing page of your Deriv trading view site. This is where we make analysis and then know where the market is heading to, rather we get. So this is where we decide where to either buy or sell the market. As you can see on my screen, up right here, I've already made some things up, like some small. Let me shift it so you can see. Yeah, so I've already made it, ready for myself so that whenever I need it, I can just pick it and use. But when when this is your first time, when it is your first time landing on this page, you will not see something like this. So you have to make it yourself. So how do you do that? First, you have to know some icons on the site. So this on your left hand side here, on the left hand side here is where we have all the tools that we need. We have the arrow tool, we have this is where the trend line is, this is where the fib retracement is, this is where we get to that icon where we get to either long or short. Then this is the brush tool like I just used now. Then this, if you want to place text on your chart, you can also do this. This is the measure tool if you want to measure your pips, and all those things like that. I'll leave the link to the site in the description below so you can check it out for yourself and practicalize what I'm teaching right now. So if you want to make these shortcuts for yourself like I've just done, all you have to do is come over to this left hand side of your screen here and just click the one you want to check. So right now I want to check on trend line and whatever it is embedded in this icon. So it's loading right now. So as you can see, inside trend line, we have inside that trend line too, rather we have way, we have info line, we have extended line, we have trend angle, we have horizontal line, we have horizontal ray, and the light. So all you need to do is just over your cursor around the tool you want to use or you want to make your favorite. All you just need to do is to star it. That's all. Once you star it, it will appear up on this place. So I've done this, as you can see, I've done the same for horizontal ray, I've done the same for rectangle, I've done the same for trend line, I've done the same for fib retracement and the rest like that. So you have to you know do this for yourself. In more of my videos to come, I'm going to show you how to actually use this tool, guys. I'm going to show you how to use this tool. You don't even I don't even need to explain much, but when I'm doing analysis, you just understand because I'll just be picking it from there and I'll be giving you examples. So that is it. Then the top left corner here is your time frames, guys. I'm going to make a video on that. If you want me to make a video on time frames, go ahead in your comment section and type and just send the message time frame so that I can know that you are interested in learning what time frame in Deriv means. Then this is the 5 minute time frame, this is the 15 minute time frame, we have the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, we have the 24 hour time frame. These are the time frames that I use to these are the time frames that I use to do my analysis, guys. So this is also a an icon where you can once you click the indicators tab, you will see your types of indicators. We have um, relative strength index, we have accelerator, oscillator, and the rest like that. For me, I only use RSI, which is relative strength index. That is why I have started it right there so that it can be easily accessible to me. So the next thing you want to look out for is the right hand side of the site. So beside this try free demo, this is an icon where you can change to light mode, as I've just done. You can change to light mode or you can change to dark mode. I think I should leave it in this light mode. It's rather fine. Then what else? Then this icon here is, you can use it to screenshot. Let me just click it. You can use it to take screenshot, download, copy image, and even send via X or whatever means. Then you have your settings tab here and the rest. Then one more thing that is very important is your save. You see a save tab up there. So trading view is different from Deriv trading view, rather, is different from normal trading view, in the sense that you have to manually save. It doesn't automatically save by itself. So all you have to do is always, you know, if you want me to make a separate video on this, I don't want this video to be long. So if you want me to make a separate video on this, drop a comment down below saying save. Then I'll make a video on it, guys. So then yeah, so this is also an area where you have to do watch list. Don't worry, once I'll leave a link to this site in the description below. So just check it out for yourself and then um see what we have there and practicalize what I'm doing, then you understand more better. Then on the top left corner there, where you see where my cursor is right now. So let me use the brush to so you can know. This top left corner here, yeah. So that is where you get to choose and switch between your pairs, like the pair you're about to trade. So there are different types of pairs there. We have VIX 10 1S, we have VIX 10 index, we have velocity 25 1S index, we have velocity 25 index, we have velocity 51S index, and so much more, guys. The very good part of it is that you can also check out normal forex pairs on this site also. You can also, if you trade stocks, this site is the best for you. If you trade the currency through, you trade BTC, USD, and Light, this this site is also easy for you. But I would recommend only the traders to use this site, guys, because I would rather prefer to use TradingView for other commodities. I would rather use forex. I mean TradingView to trade forex and cryptocurrency, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. We've come to the end of this video and I'll see you in my next video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do it to smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button to help this channel reach out to more people, guys. Peace out.